Good day and thank you so much for coming back to my channel MTN Possibility. In this channel we talk about how you can achieve your dreams and your visions. In this episode we are talking about rural development. I'll take you along as we go and install this solar powered water system. This system with just one solar panel can pump about 5,000 liters of water into that JoJo tank and run an irrigation for such a garden. We are going to Inyathi, which is about 68 kilometers away from Bulawayo. It's an upcoming area. Well, it has always been there, but now there are some new rural settlements that are being given to people through the local housing offices. If you go to Mhlatlandlela building and inquire about it, they will assist you. You go to the Ministry of Lands and they will give you more information on that. This is an area which is just after Ndabazinduna. You pass through Ingwenya Mission, which is where we are about to pass right now. I started this video right at the gate of Ingwenya Mission. Ingwenya Mission is about 40 kilometers from Bulawayo. It's a very popular mission which houses John Talak Secondary School, one of the boarding schools in Telenet North. A mission that was started in 1904 by a Reverend John Radasi from the Free Presbyterian Church of Scotland. History here is that the Ndebele chief Ndiweni heard that there was a Xhosa speaking reverend from Scotland, and he invited him over and gave him about 20 acres of land which he started the mission on. It has since grown into a hospital, a school. We have a secondary and a primary school at the place. So this is the area. Let me show you around. Let's drive along. As you see the area, we are still within Ndabazinduna on our way to Inyathi. So the plots in Inyathi are very big, about 3 acres to 10 acres you can get. The local agri-tax officers usually have more information on how you can get land in this area. So you can inquire from them and they'll give you more information. It's also a mining area. You will see a lot of gold panning. We are now about 46 kilometers from Bulawayo, and this bus that you are seeing here is the one that services the whole Ndabazinduna area, including areas such as the Begeni, which is almost one of the first villages that you get to when you come to Ndabazinduna. And then you pass through Mbeleswane, Kaisa village. You use the same bus all the way to where we are going. I'll show you the area. This bus will cost you about $2, but the combis, they will cost about $2.50 to get to this area. Now when I got this far, which is about 40 plus kilometers away from town, I understood why they charged so much. Because remember, it's about 20 something kilometers to get to Kaisa village and Epegeni and Hlambabalo area. But when you are coming this far, well, it's really worth it to pay that much. A lot of people actually work in Bulawayo coming from this area. I hear that this bus passes through this area at around 5 a.m. every day, and you can get into Bulawayo at around 8 a.m. This is its final destination. The area is called Egondeni, as you can see by the name of that shop. This is like the last area that you get to before you go to Inyathi, where we are going. This is the setup for the solar system. I might not be able to explain much because of time I couldn't explain much, and while the technician was fitting in, I couldn't ask a lot of questions, but this is how it was all done. Thank you very much for watching the video, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.